Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today I'd like to show you how you can send personal contacts over to your team contacts in Command using the Command mobile app. Now, one caveat. You can definitely take contacts from your personal account and move them into your team account from the mobile app. But if you are trying to move team contacts over to your personal account, you will need to be on a computer. So, for instance, in this example that I'm going to show you today, let's say a lead entered their information into your own KW agent site instead of your team site. So that lead information actually populated within your own personal account in Command instead of your team. So let's go ahead and walk through the steps of how you can get that personal contact over to your team contacts. First, you'll go ahead and open the Command mobile app on your phone. You can see it here in the top left-hand corner, red background, white KW. Now, if you haven't signed in recently, you will be prompted to enter your Command username and password, along with an MFA code that will be triggered over to your recovery email. Then it should bring you right here within your Command mobile dashboard. At the top left-hand corner, you'll want to click your name or your headshot, and just go ahead and make sure that check mark is right there on that personal account. We want to go to the personal account so that we can view those personal contacts. So we'll just go ahead and touch the personal account here, and it was already set there. So you can see at the top left-hand corner that the word personal is showing underneath Scott's name, indicating that we are on the personal account. From there, we'll just navigate over to the Contacts tab. This is in the bottom of your screen. Second icon from the left, little person in a box. And once you're here, now you can actually go and find the contacts that you're looking for. For us, we just navigated over to our Smart Views to view our class contacts, our fake contacts that are in here. And you'll want to select the contact or multiple contacts that you want to take out of your personal contacts and move them over to your team contacts. The benefit is you will get to manage them with the team standards and market to them with team branding. So, top right-hand corner, choose the three ellipses and choose select multiple if you have multiple to choose. And go ahead and just choose the contacts that you would like to go ahead and move over to the team. Now, do notice you have a select all button at the top left if you have a lot or, more than you want to select individually. And once they are selected, choose the three ellipses in the bottom right-hand corner now. From here, choose the change account option. It will ask you to confirm because remember, this can't be undone. Once they move from the personal to the team, that's what you can do on the mobile app. If you ever wanted to move them from the team back to the personal, you would need to get on a computer. Also, just so you know, it does keep you as the owner of the contacts even when they go over to the team. So you're not losing them to another team member. They're not going into the unassigned pool. You will stay the owner of the contact once it is on the team platform. But do take note of this disclaimer. They will be removed from all smart plans. So other marketing that you currently have set up on your personal account will be disconnected at this point. And once they're on the team account, you can go ahead and start setting up those automated marketing things again. So we're going to go ahead and choose change accounts. And from here, go ahead and choose continue. And you should get a banner at the bottom saying moving contacts to the team account. It may take a couple of moments. After you refresh and come back, your notifications may show that that was done for you. It may still be thinking for us today, but that's okay. On your contacts, once you move over to your team account, you should now see those contacts over on the team account. If you have any questions about this or any of your other KW platforms, feel free to reach out to us via email. And our email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.